Let's go ahead and assume you have a list of names or some list of data that has come back from a database, API call, or anything like that. Here we're just creating a list of names, and we have a couple of null values in here. Now it's very often that, if, for example, we now have a list that is a nullable string, so a list of nullable strings, and in our application, or maybe even a library, that does not allow a list of nullable strings. All the values have to be present. So what can you do here? Well, there's a couple of things you could do. You could go through each one of these things, and so we could say you could filter them out. You could map them to a correct value, or if you just want all of the items that are not null, you could say val names that are not null, and you could say names.filterNotNull. So a nice little helper method there, and then you can just go ahead and print line that to the screen. Name that are not null. Let's go ahead and fix that because it should say names. And if we go ahead and run this, what we'll see is we're going to have all of the names, and we are not going to have the null values. So very easy to filter out a list of all the non-nullable types. So if you don't want nulls in your list and they are already there, you can filter it out with the easy filterNotNull method.